Pfizer-vaccine.
Today, CBS 12's Lexi Nall spoke to officials from Pfizer and the Centers for Disease Control about what might have happened here. She joins us live to explain. Lexi?
Well, right now, we can't say with any certainty that this man's death was directly linked to this COVID-19 vaccine, but his wife says that he was a healthy man before the shot. He was a very healthy 56-year-old, loved by everyone in the community. Those are the words Heidi Neckelman wrote on her Facebook page after her husband, Dr. Gregory Michael, passed away. Michael was a Miami area obstetrician who received his first dose of the Pfizer vaccine in December. Just 3 days later, Neckelman writes that her husband's blood platelet count dropped to a dangerously low level. Weeks later, he suffered a stroke and died. Neckelman says his death was caused by a reaction to the COVID vaccine, but health officials from Pfizer are not so sure. In an email to CBS 12 News, a spokesperson for Pfizer called Michael's death a, quote, highly unusual clinical case, and writes that the company is investigating but does not believe at this time that there is any direct connection to the vaccine.
It's passed every milestone for safety. Safety is not an issue.
David Scott studies and works with similar RNA-based COVID-19 vaccines at the Palm Beach Research Center. Scott says that RNA-based shots like the Pfizer one are generally considered to be very safe. And though the long-term side effects can't be known yet, in the short term, he says allergic reactions have been among the most commonly reported side effects.
Because we have millions of people calling and going to places that are issuing vaccines, it can be very difficult to make sure that a person is the absolute best candidate. So the best advice that we can get to the public, to the residents of Palm Beach County, is if you think you're eligible to get a vaccine, if you're going somewhere to get that vaccine, make sure you know your history of allergies and explain that to the provider who is about to help you get injected.
Well, a spokesperson for the CDC told us that that agency is currently investigating this case, and they will update us when more information becomes available.